My name is Joe Wojcik. I'm the owner and president of Tempe Camera. Started the company in 1972. Pretty much started on a whim. I didn't know a thing about repairing cameras, but somebody had confidence in me and said, here, I got a bunch of broken cameras, fix them, we'll sell them, and I'll give you some money for them. Of course, I have my machine shop, which I'm trained as a machinist, so I was able to make a lot of parts that weren't available. People started knocking on my door. Now we have a company with 35 employees. A lot of my staff has been with me 25, 35 years. My general manager has been with me 40 years. Signs my paychecks, just the way I like it. Mike's our quality control inspector. He's been with us over 40 years. Come on, Gary. Gary is our used equipment buyer. We make parts that people can't get, or they're discontinued or obsolete, and they might have an expensive camera but needs a new bracket or something, and we'll sit here, we'll machine it for them, put them back in business. There aren't too many people that do machining and also repair. We were able to fill a niche that has been very good for us. So we're carrying a wide variety of optics and different cameras, high-end, pretty much anything that a client would want. People started asking us, can I get a loaner while my camera's in for repair, because I know I gotta wait 2 weeks for parts. I says, new line of work. We're gonna start a rental business. We have a little thing that will give you back half your rental money if you buy it within 30 days. When we built this building, the architect put a round window as a camera lens. This is our digital copy area. We copy a lot of artwork for people. That's something we printed here. That's a small example of the work that we do. This is some of the new metallic papers that we're working with. We have a lab that will still process film. Hello, Dee.
Oh, hello, Joe.
Our staff has been here for 30 to 40 years, and they're always here with a smile, and they do want to see you. Some of the big clients, the heavyweights, McCain, Barry Goldwater, they all used to come in here because I got a reputation in the Valley that if you need something fixed really right, go and see Joe and the guys at Tempe Camera. They can take care of you. If you look around, there's something for everybody. We've been here for about 48 years, and we'll be here a little bit longer.